Thank you for joining us for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight, the Monday Morning Pulse Report for seafood purchasers. Some fast facts to start this week. Russian pink and sockeye salmon are coming in stronger than expected. Meanwhile, in Canada, sockeye salmon landings are down and frozen H&G prices are hitting $3.65 a pound. In the news this week, we are now over halfway through the Alaskan Pink Salmon season. Normally at this point, catches are coming in strong, but this year, fishermen in some regions are starting to wonder where all the fish are. The statewide harvest was projected to be up 25% this year, an increase of 27 million fish. The largest runs are expected in southeast Alaska and the Kodiak fishery, while the Prince William Sound fishery, which harvested a record number of pinks last year, is expected to be down significantly. In southeast Alaska, projections were for 55 million fish. That's 30 million more than last year. The fishery started out the season strong and fast, but has since slowed down, and fishermen are now skeptical that the forecast will be met. Meanwhile, in Kodiak, pre-season forecasts were for 29 million fish. Last year, just 8.8 million were harvested. Disappointingly, as at July 29th, landings in Kodiak were significantly below last year. It could be that the run is just a bit late. Rainy weather at the end of last week could trigger a run, but really, there is no telling when and if the fish will arrive. Also in the news, the halibut market appears poised to soften. That's right, the prize whitefish may have finally hit its price ceiling, and reduced demand is expected to bring down prices. And finally, there have been record landings of Dungeness crab in the Puget Sound and Hood Canal. Dungeness prices have been very high this year. Recent quotes on West Coast ocean run clusters range between $6.75 and $6.90 a pound. This is over $1 per pound more than last year. Increased supply out of the western U.S. may bring down prices. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. This is Robert Reierson. Buy smart and eat more seafood.